What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kyle, aka Chart Bully, back with another video. Hope everybody's having a great day. In this video, I want to touch on the subject of psychology. Everybody always says trading is 80% psychological, 20% technical. But what I want to do is give you guys some actual tools and questions to ask yourself. Because I mean, you got to be real with yourself when it comes to this trading. You're never going to grow. Your trade is not going to progress unless you dig deep and ask yourself some serious questions on why you're losing, why you're getting stopped out, what can I do different. And you can't just blame your strategy. I mean, honestly, from what I've seen, a lot of strategies work. It's just if you have the patience and the discipline, and if you can really hone in your emotions to get control of that strategy, it's probably going to work for you. So with that said, I put together 5 questions you can ask yourself before you get into any trade. I know when I started writing down my thoughts at the time before I got into trade, it's helped me assess the trade better and manage the trade better as it's going. So first question is, am I comfortable with getting my stops hit? Simple, straightforward. Worst case scenario, are you comfortable with getting a hit? So this is a good example today. So we had gold and it broke out, came back up and dropped down right here. A lot of people, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people, got into a sell right here. After the bounce at the close of the EMA, got in. Some people probably had their stops right here, and some people probably had it right here. Now when you take this trade, you're thinking, it's going down, I'm good. So went down, you're looking good for a while, 40 pips, boom, takes you out in 2 swift moves, the whole thing. So if you got $1,000 account, you put a 0.50 on it, you didn't close it out, you might have just almost blown your account. Proper stop loss placement is key. And I say that because you have to take into consideration the worst case scenario. You have to go into a trade not fearful, but you have to respect that what could happen may happen. So definitely that is number 1 on my list. Are you comfortable with it getting hit? If you're nervous and you're anxious, your position size is probably too big. So let's go on to number 2. Is this an A1 setup? I call it A1 setups. Is this just a trade you're taking just because you're bored? Just because you feel like you need to push the button? Or is this a trade where you're like, oh yeah, I got him? You know, like the trade I had yesterday in gold. When they gave me this pin on the EMA and I saw one more bar down, I knew it was game over pretty much. I had my stop up here, and you guys can see that in the trade recap. I had my stop up here, and I was comfortable taking a loss if it did go back up. You know, thank God it went down, did what it did. But you know, there's always that possibility that it could bounce up, especially when you're trading volatile pairs like gold, GA, GU at times, things like that. So you need to take that into consideration as well. Is this an A1 setup? When you have the best setups, you feel better about it, you're more confident in the trade, and you're going to take it with no hesitation. So number 3, what amount will I be satisfied? People always say go for pips, go for pips, go for pips, go for pips. And that's true. I mean, going for 20, 40 pips, you're going for 100 pips, that's fine. But what amount will satisfy you to take a partial profit? And that's what I like to ask myself. If I have a mini lot, just one mini lot, and I got a $100 account, and I'm up 30 pips, I'm cool. I will take half of that profit. I'm comfortable with having a day of 15%. You know, you gotta think about it like that. What amount will satisfy you? Because you may want to place another trade. Oh, I just want a little bit more. Then it does one of these numbers, comes back up, spikes you out. You know, you could have just closed that trade in profit at that time. Number 4, am I nervous or anxious? Real simple, man. Like, if you're not coming into these trades, relax, clear. You're going to second guess your position, you're going to second guess your entry, you're going to second guess, am I in the right direction? Is it going to do this? You can't be anxious or nervous when you're taking these trades. You need to be confident, you need to be relaxed, and you got to know what's going on. Your analysis pre-game is going to help you in-game. It's just like any sport, anything like that. If you're not practicing, if you're not trying to get better, if you're not prepared for the game, how do you expect to score points? How do you expect to get a rebound? How do you expect to dribble the ball and not get a turnover and get dunked on? You know? So, are you anxious or are you nervous, man? If you had a rough morning, if your boss is yelling at you at work, maybe it's not the best time for you to trade. Maybe you should wait until London session the next night, or maybe you should wait an hour. So, I mean, if your emotions are frizzled and you're not in the right space, don't take the trade at all. Even if you know what's going on, you're going to be so anxious. You know, it's not going to work out sometimes. And number 5 is, how will this affect my day? I like to ask myself this question. So if I lose a trade, how will this affect the rest of my day? Am I going to be mad? Am I going to be angry? Am I going to be depressed? Am I going to be sad if I win a trade? Am I going to be happy, excited, filled with energy? Really, you should be even keeled. Wins or losses shouldn't affect you at all, but they do. Let's be real. So, if you went all in on a trade and it took you out and you lost $1,000 and that's all you had in your account, and now you gotta wait another 3 weeks to save up your check, you're not gonna feel good about that. So just ask yourself before you take that trade, before you place that lot. Everybody loves to play standards. People are in love with standard lots. Before you place that lot, just ask yourself, how is this going to affect my day if the worst case scenario happens? So I hope these tips helped you. If they did, write down your top 5 in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe, man. If you want to join the team, I got the link below. We're definitely here to help you out. Everybody is great. Everybody's welcoming. We'll welcome you with open arms. But let me know your thoughts at the bottom. Until next time, guys. Peace.